The Mid-State continues cleaning up from an intense hailstorm over the weekend. Midtown Harrisburg was one of the hardest hit areas when the storm came through on Saturday night. The hail itself caused damage, while fallen trees took down power lines and blocked roads. Utility and city crews dealt with much of the damage yesterday, but their work is not done.
Now there's other stuff that we have to clean up. I'm sure you could drive throughout the city and see that there's still a lot of downed branches, downed trees, lots of debris and brush and whatnot. So that is going to be the priority today and kind of the rest of the week.
Maisel says that work should be finished by the end of the week.